Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Jealousy on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. The chords you're going to need are A minor, X, open, 2, 2, 1, open. C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open. D, X, open, open, 2, 3, 2. And E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Once again, that's A minor, C, D, E minor. So for the verses, you can just switch between A minor, C, E minor. And the pattern's going to be on A minor, down, up, and then I'd switch to C at the next part here. So down, up, down, down, and then E minor, down, up, down, 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 up, and then switch to C, down, 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 up, down, down. And then the chorus just goes starting on A minor, down, up, and then instead of playing 2 times on C, you go C to D. So A minor, and then C, D, E minor. It's a pretty quick switch between C and D here. So just practice that. Da 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 part goes.